So this is the dinner of Daddy, and this is for Nathan dinner. Only mashed potato and fried chicken, guys. Okay, mine is I'm going to cook paksiw. What do you call that? Bangus na paksiw. I'll show you guys. Okay. Okay guys, let's cook. So yan guys, it's boiling now. I'm going to add oil. There you go. This is oil. I use the used oil because it's Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to cook my dinner. For my dinner, it's paksiw na bangus. So this is a milkfish, the whole milkfish, and then green chili, and then this is tomato, and then ginger. This is garlic, ginger, and then onion. And this is ampalaya. It's a bitter gourd. And then eggplant. A long eggplant. And of course, we're gonna add salt. And then we're gonna add black pepper. And then, of course, vinegar. This is dato puti vinegar. And then, magic syrup. So let's start, guys. So here we go. I cut into 4 already. You know guys, I'm the only one to eat this fish. So can you imagine that? The whole fish, I can eat it. So I'll add I chopped the garlic already. Ginger. Oh my god, I keep saying garlic. This is ginger, and then garlic. I'll put on the garlic, and then onion. This one, guys, is Ilokana dish. I don't know how you cook. People at Bisaya, I don't know how they cook paksiw. You can use tilapia or anything, wherever it's your choice. But I'm going to use bangus. Then after that, I'm gonna add the tomato. This one, tomato. There you go. Then after that, I'm gonna add my eggplant. See, this is eggplant, guys. I'm gonna add vegetable, my paksiw. There you go. That's eggplant. I cut this one. So, and after that, I'm going to add the ampalaya, the bitter gourd. See? Just like that, guys. This is how I cook. I don't know, guys, if how did you cook. You can comment down below how you cook your paksiw. You can use tilapia, guys. It's fine. Normally, we use tilapia as well to do paksiw. But this one is the green chili that I want to cut in half so that I can feel the spicy. I'm not sure if this chili is spicy. Just leave it like that. I'm going to remove this. And then I'm going to add salt. This is salt. So add salt. You know guys, if paksiw really loves a bit salty, so I'll put more. That's a lot, no? And then after that, I'm going to add the ground pepper. This one, a black pepper. See, just add. Nathan love this one.
No, it's not.
See? Then I'm going to add a vinegar. So can you help me, Nathan, to open this? I don't know. I can do it. There you go. So I'm going to add vinegar. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add a little bit water because I don't want too much vinegar. So I'll just add water. And then I'm going to add magic syrup. The magic syrup. There you go. And then after that, guys, we boil and then we add oil while it's boiling. Okay. Okay, guys, let's cook. So yan, guys, it's boiling now. I'm going to add oil. There you go. This is oil. I use the used oil because it's clean though. Oh my god, it's really smoky. There, we're gonna mix. That's it, guys. I shake it. But look, the fish. I think it's overcooked already. So, in a few minutes, I'm going to turn it off. Here you go, guys. My paksiw. See, it's a lot of vegetable. See? I'll just eat all by myself, please. So, ayan, guys. That's it, my video today. And please don't forget to subscribe and please hit the thumbs up. And thank you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Bye! And guys, kain tayo. It's for dinner. Dinner.